Hello, we put together this quick video to show you the differences between the original point of sale features and the new chip reader features. One of the first things you'll notice on the new OrderPort software is the fact that they've gone away from the pastel colors and gone with more vibrant colors, sharper images, but you'll also notice that most of the buttons are still the same as they were before. One of the first things you'll notice is that the old card swiper is gone and we now have a new chip reader attached to the iPad. To check the connectivity of this new chip reader, first you need to hit the Tools button, and when you hit the About button, you'll see this screen, which is significantly different from ones you've seen in the past. The controls for the chip reader fall under the first mile settings. Press this button and you'll get this screen. The hardware screen shows which chip reader you're connected to. We've labeled each chip reader with the last 3 digits of its serial number. That is the number that's going to show up at the top of the screen. The screen also shows you how much power is left in the chip reader. Please keep an eye on this and make sure your chip reader is recharged before it goes dead. The chip reader batteries are supposed to last 2 days of operation without being recharged. One of the biggest software changes is how you access the Wine Club members to release their Wine Club packages. From the main screen, you hit the Account button as you did before. This is the new account screen that will come up. Searching for customers is slightly different than before. To find a customer who has an account with us, you push the Search Customers button. Type in the customer's last name, hit the green search button, and then find the customer in the list that will populate below. The account screen will then fill in with the person's information. And to find their order history, you now have to hit the blue Order History button on the side. The customer's order history will now appear as it had in the past, with you being able to release their Wine Club packages. The new software allows you to cleanly modify a Wine Club order before releasing it. The final change I want to point out is that OrderPort now will not allow you to close a cash order with a purchase of 0. Instead, you have to hit the 0 close button on the transaction screen. In this video, we've tried to identify the major issues we found in a few weeks of testing this software. We're sure there's other changes we've not yet identified. If you run into an issue or some feature that you really like, please let us know. Thank you.